Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Cadillac XTS cabin air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself, saving time and money. We'll cover the necessary tools, how to access the filter, and the steps for a proper replacement. Keeping your cabin air filter fresh improves air quality inside your vehicle, which is great for your health and comfort. First, open your glove box and clear out any items inside. Next, locate the dampener arm, usually on the right side, and unhook it. This allows the glove box to drop further. Then, carefully push in on both sides of the glove box to release the plastic stops, allowing it to swing down completely or be removed for better access to the filter housing. With the glove box out of the way, you'll see a shelf or panel. Remove any Phillips head screws holding this in place, then gently pull it out. Behind this, you'll find the rectangular cabin filter access door. This door usually has clips on the sides. Simply unclip them and pull the door off to reveal the old cabin air filter. Before removing the old filter, pay attention to its airflow arrow, which typically points downwards. Carefully slide out the old filter and clean any debris. Install your new filter, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the same direction. Then, reattach the filter housing door, reinstall the glove box components, and close it up. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.